Today we're going to be looking at the Jobber mobile app, specifically how to use the scheduling feature in the mobile app. So we're going to walk through the various views that you have, how to manage jobs, requests, tasks in the scheduling feature. So you're going to learn how to use the scheduling feature effectively so that you can implement it in your business and streamline your operations. So let's jump in. All right, so we are in the app. Down across the bottom, we're going to click the calendar icon. Now we have our list view, and you can see at a quick glance all of your jobs that are in green, your tasks in blue, and your requests in bronze. So if we click into one of these cards, we can manage the settings for each type of item. Complete the visit, you can start your timer, you can send an on the way text to your client to let them know that you are on your way, and just basically manage all of the job details here. Same thing for tasks. You can see who they're assigned to. You can complete the task, add instructions, and various things. So we have our day view to see the blocks of jobs on the calendar that have specific times, and then jobs, requests, tasks that don't have specific times that are anytime. They'll be across the top here. Next, if we toggle this setting up here, we can choose from a few other views between a 3-day and a week view. So this kind of gives you a 3-day glance to see what jobs you have for the next few days. Same thing with the week view. If you like to visualize the week, you can see which jobs, tasks, and requests that you have for the week. And you have some additional settings to be able to toggle on unscheduled appointments on map view, as well as show weekends. So if you don't want to show weekends, you can toggle that and just show Monday through Friday. And you have the option to toggle on different employees to be able to see their schedules side by side on the day in list view. You can choose between a specific day of the week, or you can even change the month by clicking up here and navigating to the specific month. So from the day, week, and 3-day views, we can click on the calendar directly to add a job, a request, or a task. You can also tap this plus icon to quickly add a request, a task, or a job. Hopefully that gave you a good overview on how to use the scheduling feature in Jobber. If you're interested in signing up for Jobber, I have a 14-day free trial that's down in the description. It helps me out if you use my link. Feel free to check that out on your own. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.